So yeah, should we do that?
Yeah.
Also,
Whisper challenge.
they want Kuya Kyler to play the guitar.
Oh. Actually, kahit kami hindi pa namin din.
I don't know how to play the
Experience
guitar.
yun. Experience yun. Tapos, ano daw?
Keep tweeting what you guys want, and we will.
Mag-beatbox daw si Kim.
Yes. Or they want a fan meet in Visayas.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, in Visa.
Marcus, why so quiet?
Ah.
Buti ba ako maingay?
I'm so sleepy.
You know why? Because
You don't have...
Tahimik ko. Joke lang.
Hey. Oh, you guys, why'd you guys stop? I was about to drop.
oh, mag-freestyle daw si Marcus para magising daw siya.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Make a freestyle about
Hindi naman alam yun.
our fan meeting.
Okay,
go,
okay,
go,
okay.
go. Drop the beat.
Okay. So,
Hey.
we have a fan meet April 22.
Oh,
You already know. You got a
Yeah.
clue about what you're saying,
Oh,
though.
yeah.
I don't.
Is it, yo?
Yo.
Is it?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
April 22, yo.
Yo.
April 8 is
Oh,
get the
yeah.
tickets, yo. Ticketnet online, get
Oh,
the
yeah.
cities, yo. You never know where to go.
Yeah! I think-
Next rapper.
Yeah, the rapper! I think... Rapper?
Rapper.
Sample.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, drop the beat. Make, anong topic ni Riz?
About sa, ano, buhay mo na lang.
Wag na. Wag na, baka boring.
May suggestion po kayo about sa...
Wag na.
about Salamat release mo.
Hey!
Drop the beat mo, please.
Drop the beat.
One, six.
Kaya yun. Okay, go.
Bring the beat.
Take the beat.
Si Kuya Kim.
Kahit yung beat go, basta masasakayan.
Kanta siya.
Anong...
Hindi, about sa Salamat daw, mag-freestyle siya.
Take the fans, like, in raps.
Hindi ako marunong ah.
Okay.
Oy, guys! Abangan nyo ang salamat bukas 11 a.m. Korean. Sa mga nanonood dyan sa IG live namin, bukas na ang release na Salamat.
Yeah.
At
Kumakain.
11 a.m. PH time.
Yeah.
12 and then
Grabe na ang 12 NN. Anong galing?
That was so cool.
talaga. No.
Ano ba? Wow, we have 3,800!
Wow.
Followers.
If we get to 4,000
Viewers.
viewers, I will make him kiss you. This guy.
Oh.
Keep sharing the live, guys.
Totoo na ginagawa.
Sharing.
Sharing
Nice
is
message.
caring.
Sharing is sharing.
Like drop A.
Sharing is caring.
Hello po kay ate. Ay, kay ma'am. Ay.
DJ Ai, hello po!
So by the way, talk about how it's like doing a dance challenge.
Yeah. It's a dream
You guys
come
are so
true.
Super thank you po sa mga artists na nakakagawa po
Yes.
ng ginagawa po yung Dash
Challenge.
Challenge with us kasi super dream po namin talaga ni yung recent. Thank you po Miss AC for
Thank you
doing
po.
the Dash Challenge with us and also po kay
Also,
may bagong
yes, we have one. Wait, is it out?
Yeah, it's ours.
It's already out.
Yeah, yun yung mga-
Oh, only them.
Kasi marami pa to come out. But
Yes.
we want to thank everyone has done the challenge
Yes,
so
and
far. And
it is with Miss Angelica Ken, which I was not in. And Angela. Wait, I'm sorry. Angela Ken and Ate Gab from
Ken.
Pause and Play, and I was there. So cool.
Yes.
Thank you.
we have so much more. Kanina we did. Can you guess names?
Guess names earlier.
Yes,
We also
yes.
shot
And you
that
guess-
challenge with someone or with people.
And please tag them to do it. If
yeah.
you can.
Tag anyone.
Para
Tag BTS
Kapamilya.
is to do the
BTS
dash
and then-
challenge.
Yeah, man.
I don't think they know we exist.
Ito. Ito, pamilya artist.
Okay. That's such a good clue.
Ano? Diba?
Sino
Dami
sinasabi
talaga
mo?
pamilya artist eh.
Marco, shout out. Shout out.
Shout out to Hashiro. Hashiro.
Kainisan.
Ano po, fanmate? Sa ano po, sa New Frontier Theater.
QC.
Yes.
Quezon
So, may-
City.
Spoiler po for Salamat music video. The spoiler is you will cry.
Yes, maybe.
Maybe.
Hindi pa naman natin nakita.
Sinong K-pop idol group na gusto ninyong gawin ng Dash Challenge? Tweet it now and tag them. Yes!
Yeah.
Do we have a hashtag for the dash challenge? Or dash hashtag dash
Hashtag dash challenge.
or
Hashtag dash with BTS.
Capture.
oh yes, let's do capture time.
Okay, let's do capture time, guys.
Go, go, go.
Pero ngayon ang gawin natin tatakpan nila yung cam for 5 seconds. Tapos palit-palit tayo ng pose.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I like this.
Okay. Wait. Let's
Chumahan na go.
Dash challenge lang. Hindi, dash. Ano hashtag pa rin sa dash?
Okay, game. Capture time. 5 seconds.
Game.
Wait, may bubulong. 5 times. Okay.
Pagka 5 times daw, patay na daw yung ilaw. Wala. Yan,
Tahimik ka na? Okay. Okay. Simulan na ba?
Simula na.
Simulan na ng bagong
Sino
magtatakip?
Nasa Korea na.
5, 6, 7. Okay, go. Okay, cover.
Next.
Takip.
Pangalan?
Okay. Fourth. Okay, last.
Last.
Magpasa kayo.
Kikuluhin ang buhok.
Okay.
That was a fun.
Hinihingal ako doon.
We go
Hirap pala.
Alam ko nun.
Hirap.
Hirap.
Did you guys enjoy?
Grabe na.
Yes, we really enjoyed it.
Okay, let's see what the fans think about our new quiz. Oh, cute daw.
Hindi na ito makakuha.
Oh! Sige, mag-exclusive release ka na ng isang pick mo.
Wow! Cute!
Okay, flash natin yan. Flash natin yan in 5 seconds.
Hindi, huwag na.
Joke lang.
Okay lang.
Ito, 5 seconds.
Uy, malapit ng 4,000!
5
Content
seconds.
game bot na lang guys! 4K na tayo.
Oh, ito. 5 seconds. 3,
Ano?
2, wait.
We go like a dash.
5 seconds. 5, 6, 7, here.
Dapat may background music.
Tapos na!
Ano yun? Ano yung
Oh, that's challenge with BGYO.
Or Billy.
That would be so
Yes,
nice.
yes, please po.
We hope so.
May mga picture.
More nakamat. Kilik-kilik.
Picture? I have, okay, sige.
Hindi sample sa lang. Yung mga setting natin. Dati.
What if?
Okay, magbibigay kami ng exclusive photos. Let's see if meron kami.
Yes. Abangan nyo talaga.
We go like a dash.
Wait, ano? Wait, kasi baka mamaya magpakita kayo ng ano eh. Hindi, hindi siya.
Alam ko na.
Wow, prom picture po ni Racer.
Isa-isa ba tayo pa? We go like a dash.
Dami. Wow!
Okay. Oy!
Bakit? Ikaw nga yun.
Ha? Hindi mo pinakita yung isa sa'yo?
Pinakita ko din.
Okay, pwede.
Wait, si Kuya Kim. Ito, naka 0.5 na Marcos.
Uy, Marcos.
Wait, ano yan? Mag! Ay, pakita natin yung ano.
Asan na yun?
Wait.
Ipakita natin.
Asan yung...
Natin, Marcos. Oh.
Ay, wait. Mas.
Oh! Wait! Gustong...
Ang ganda nito. Bawal. Bawal pa. Bawal pa.
Remember this Racer.
Bawal pa.
Ito.
Dito sa akin.
Guys, tingnan niyo po ako. Ay, wag na.
Ilang?
You guys see my new phone right now? That's my new phone. I dropped it.
Some cute. Oh.
Ano kasi yan?
Ano yung ipapakita?
Oh, ito. Ito guys, ito talaga pinaka lang to. Magugustuhan nila to, no?
Yeah.
No?
Cute.
5 seconds lang puto kayo, maganda handa na kayo. In 3,
2.
Bawal.
1.
Ay, bawal.
Hey, yo. Yan.
Ah!
Lakas mo.
Bag. Eh!
Parang maganda.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay
Mag-
guys.
tama na, masyado na tayo maraming na-
Masyado na
now,
tayo maraming
now,
napakita.
Now we're gonna sing salamat.
Are we?
Yes.
Are we? Oh no!
Thank you so much for 4,000 viewers.
Wow,
We
thank you po.
appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
It's so nice to see you guys here.
And as our thanks to
sing salamat.
Yes.
Alam mo ba?
We go like a day.
We fly to the
Pa! Pa!
Ah!
Okay guys, let's go.
Di naka-mute. Joke lang. Solid. Wait naman yun. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yon. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat ng masasayang mga panahon. At kaya hanggang sa huli. Hanggang dyan lang. Kasi, bukas. Mapapakinggan nyo bukas
Yung mahal kita namin. sa
Yeah.
music.
Yes, and unlimited times yun siya pwedeng stream.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ulit-ulitin yung
Diba?
Ulit-ulit.
Host lang.
Please stream.
Stream salamat.
Yes.
Oh.
And also Dash, which is it's still there. Now.
Thank you
Yeah,
for
guys.
salamat. Gusto namin din magpasalamat dun sa support yung nabigay sa Dash MV namin.
It's crazy.
Super. Kasi, di ba nga na-mention natin sa last live natin, 50,000
50,000.
yung gusto natin. Pero umabot siya ng
Equally.
Like 10 times more.
more, maybe expected. Kaya super overwhelmed kami sa support nyo. And kahit ba namin kayo i-pressure for salamat, pero gusto namin lang na ma-receive nyo yung thanks namin sa inyong mga fans na nagpapasalamat kami sa support nyo. And para sa inyo talaga yung salamat release. Gusto talaga namin mapakita sa inyo na grateful kami na lagi kayong nandyan for us. Kasi kayo talaga ang aming strength.
Yeah.
Example na ng pagsasalamat.
Huh?
Okay na yun. Nasabi na.
Wow.
Wait.
Spoiler yun. Spoiler.
Secret.
Tingin ulit.
Bawal.
Bawal. Di alam.
Oh yes, sabi ni BJI, salamat dance challenge po with. Abangan
Salamat
nyo yan.
dance challenge.
Kasi meron siyang, di ba may ganun?
Yeah.
May ganun, may... Yes! Hindi nyo, ano, may salamat dance
May
break.
dance break.
Ganito, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? Konti punta ko dito sa mga... Hindi, abangan nyo yan. Yan yung mga dapat kaya nyo panoorin yung salamat release namin. Kasi hindi nyo alam.
To the sky.
Ha?
Ah!
Oh yeah!
Ay, nag-joke.
Wow.
Ay. Joke. Grabe.
And also merong palabas kasi para dun sa mga baka nahihirapan sundan yung Dash Challenge. Maglalabas kami ng maglalabas tayo ng hindi ba na?
Okay, we are going to release a Dash
Tutorial!
tutorial.
Next tutorial.
Yes,
sir.
Stay tuned so that you guys can follow along with us and you can get to post a TikTok about Dash Challenge or whatever. So you can dash with your friends at home, at school.
Kasi tayo, di ba nagdadash tayo kahit tulog?
Yes.
Yes!
Oh, minsan si Kuya Rickster po pag natutulog.
Minsan naniniko siya. Gumagano. Magalit ba?
Nagagalit yun.
Pero ang laki ng muscle ni Eraser pag nag-dash.
Yes.
Tingnan na.
Pakita
Tingnan
naman.
na. Tingnan na.
Ayun, no?
Guys, dapat makita niyo yung 6 packs ni Kuya Rickster.
Wow.
Every
Parang
day.
pag mall show na nakita na yung abs ni Esther, di ba?
Ayaw nga.
Yes.
Pero,
Apat lang, no?
not,
Gagi, isa lang. Tatlo.
Uy! Excited sila sa more sa fan meet. Gusto na makita abs ni Karister.
Sana guys, hindi kayo nagsama.
um,
So, ayun. Hi.
so guys, actually,
Kumain ka na.
Kumain ka na.
Ilan?
It's already out. So, tanong lang po sa inyo. Tapos na po ba kayo kumain? Tanong lang. Kung hindi pa po, kumain na po.
Sampay ka pa.
Oh, ito may sinabi po si Ayesh made that underscore solid.
May draft na daw siya ng dash.
So, post it na po, then mag-hashtag lang po kayo ng Dash Challenge.
Yes!
Yay! And makikita namin yan sa lahat ng social media.
Itag niyo din kami at Horizon of
Yes!
Para makita namin lahat ng mga dash challenges nyo. Kasi,
kakain daw siya ulit para sa'yo.
Wow, sorry.
Kim What na? Pa-shout out from Bacolod!
Hello sa mga taga-Bacolod!
Yes!
Aray.
Maayong gabi sa inyong katanan.
Kay Rowena Villamera. Shout out sa'yo. Shout out sa mga taga-Bacolod. Miss ko na kayo.
Ano daw?
Miss na daw niya. Yun. Okay na. Okay na.
Kayo, tapos na po kayo kumain? Yes po.
Ano pong ulam niyo tonight? Ay, ano?
Tonight,
Tonight. Ano pong ulam niyo?
Dad!
Get ready for the next battle!
Get ready, guys, get ready to dash into the Horizon 100 Days Miracle Horizon First Fan Meeting happening on April 22 at the New Frontier Theater.
there are 4 days left and you can finally buy tickets. So, yeah, wait for April 8.
April 8.
April 8.
May time ba po yun? Or
Is there a
Wala.
time? Or is it just 12 a.m. April 8?
just be ready by April 8?
And which is at ticketnet dot.
Huh?
No, it's just ticketnet online. Ticketnet online.
And also,
Yes.
ito na yung last natin.
Last
Last- It's
This is the
no,
last.
no, it's going to be our last time to interact with our fans
Yeah.
before we
Ah.
leave
Yes.
for.
Or this might be literally our last performance before we leave. For
On April 8th till
For
the
Korea.
PH time. You guys,
Kaya it's so meaningful to us, and
Oh.
we're practicing every day for para maganda yung performance namin by 5
train a lot, and we have many
Yeah.
performances
Marami kaming pasabog.
in
Wow.
store. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so it is gonna be April 8, 12 p.m. That's noon.
Noon.
Yeah, PH time, and then also please follow our social media accounts. This one at Horizon HORI7ON official. This one Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube, because we're always gonna be posting. We're always gonna give updates like what we do every day. We post stories about how our training goes, and you don't want to miss out on that. And I'm so hungry right now. I don't know why. I need some halo halo.
Or that's some random crazy.
No,
Hindi ko alam.
I don't know.
Baka narinig nila.
Yeah, probably did.
I think about.
Pwede yun.
Hindi. Pwede.
Pwede yun. It's normal.
Pwede.
Sabihin?
Pwede kasi di mo po-post.
Sa bagay. Go.
Hindi, wag.
Okay. We're gonna. I'm so. We're.
Go, ikaw na.
Asan?
Hindi. Ano?
So guys, yun, magpapaalam na po kami mamaya.
Ang lungkot na lungkot na kami.
5 minutes left.
Hindi pa po kami
before
nilipad pa
our
Korea
July
naman.
July.
Nandito pa rin po kami sa Pilipinas.
Kasi,
Magbababay lang.
po, ayun.
Kasi po mamaya
Training pa po kami.
Training, yes.
5
Para-
minutes left before
Para mas
our
maganda yung mga
online
performances sa
live.
Kasi po,
And-
gusto po talaga namin na maganda po yung performance ay papakita namin sa inyo.
Yes,
Yay.
pagdating ng fan meeting, yes.
Yes,
Perfect.
and please keep on tweeting hashtag Horizon First Fan Meeting. Just keep tweeting posts. Let's
go.
Oh, mag-dash challenge kaya tayo dito na ako.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, go, dash challenge na ako.
Okay.
Oh, right now we're trending.
Wow!
We're trending number
Trending
3.
tayo, ano pang number 3?
White or
On Philippines, it just said.
5, 6, 7, turn up the light and fly up!
We go like a dash, 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 dash. Dripping like a flash, bring the crash, 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 like a hurricane. I say oh, giddy giddy up. I say oh, gimme up. We go like a dash, 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 dash. Go to the sky, to the sky, to the sky high. To the sky high. Kimchi saranghe, Kim Nam saranghe, Tyler saranghe, Dexter saranghe, Winston saranghe, Jeremy saranghe, Marcus saranghe, Horizon Fighting!
Dapat ganun kataas yung energy pag nag-perform kami ng dash, okay? We need that type of energy to be spread throughout New Frontier Theater. And, yeah.
And hindi lang po dapat kumakanta, dapat sumasayaw rin, di ba?
Yes! Dapat gusto namin gumaganon kayo lahat ng mga ginawa. Ako pa naman! Dash! 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 Gusto ko, pagka ganun nyo, lipat kayo upuan sa kanya. Dash! Dash! Dinag-anan yung katabi. Please be safe sa papanood din ng fan meeting na.
Ay, lalo na po sa pila, ingat lang po, huwag po tayo
And 20 minutes left before our July.
2 minutes.
I mean 2 minutes. Yes.
Yes. Ano ba? Ano pa ba natin gawin sa 2 minutes?
Kapila.
Mag-dead na lang tayo tapos pakit na lang sa
Oh, pila-pila tayo.
Pila-pila na lang tapos.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Isa magpa-thank
Pasalamat.
dito. Oh, kanya-kanyang diskarte how to thank the fans. Go. You first, Marcus.
Nanawagan po ako.
Nalalawa ko.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil sa suporta na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Dahil kami po ay laging tumataba ang puso pagka binabasa yung mga sinasabi ninyo about tungkol sa amin. And para po yung nagsalamat ako sa inyo, nagtagalog na po ako straight.
Yes!
You go next.
Go, wala na time.
Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun.
Ay,
Maraming salamat po sa mga fans
tawa
namin.
talaga.
Salamat po talaga at sa suporta nyo at sa pagtyaga nyo pag-stream ng music video and sa mga pinapakita nyong pagsuporta sa mga mall show at sa lahat-lahat pa. Thank you po.
Next.
Ano ba?
Salamat ka lang.
Huwag kayo matawa.
Oh?
Hindi mo ako natawa. Hindi mo ako natawa.
Guys, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta nyo sa amin. And sana po hindi po kayo magsawa na suportahan po kami sa mga darating po naming journeys. And mahal po namin kayo.
Ako naman po, sobrang nagpapasalamat. Ako naman po,
Ipakita mo muna yung kamay mo.
Ako naman po, sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga taga Luzon. Kasi, linibot na namin yung buong Luzon sa mga mall show. And sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung mga cheer nyo po sa amin pag mall show, and medyo nakalungkot man po na sa amin na pupunta kami. Ay, excited kami pumunta ng Korea, pero mamimiss namin yung Pilipinas. Love you guys.
So, 안녕하세요.
Nga sabi sa
So, ayun po, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Horizon fans. So, ayun nga po, without you guys, hindi kami mapupunta dito, hindi kami magiging Horizon. So, salamat sa lahat ng effort and pagmamahal na binigay nyo sa amin. And pinapangako namin na ibibigay namin yung best para masatisfy kayo sa mga performance namin. And salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hero.
Jeremy.
So ngayon po, nananawagan po kasi.
Ayos.
First po, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, lalo na po sa mga nanonood ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa oras niya, and please keep on supporting po, and please bukas po sana i-stream niyo po yung music video namin ng Salamat please, and ingat po kayo palagi, and keep on supporting us. Love you. Bye.
Yes, that would be all for
Si Kevin Ching,
our-
now you have to do one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, ito naman sabihin ko ba? But yeah, okay. Go dito na together na. We want to thank our fans who continue to support us. Super nagpapasalamat kami, and bukas nga i-release na yung music video namin. Salamat, sana damang-daman niyo yung pasasalamat namin sa inyo, kasi di ba every mall show naman nagpapasalamat kami sa inyo kasi ang ganda ng mga cheers niyo para sa amin, and also yung pag-support niyo sa amin. Ngayon trending tayo, parang kahit para sa amin malaking bagay kasi talaga yung nakikita namin na nandiyan kayo para sa amin. Yun yung nagiging motivation namin to always give 100% or even more pag nagpa-perform kami. And sana nakikita niyo yung
Tsaka nakaka-boost ng confidence.
yes, doon na nabuboost yung confidence namin from seeing you guys. So, let's meet each other soon sa mga mall shows na parating. And also sa aming first ever fan meeting. We will be seeing you guys on the next one.
Again, don't forget April 8 tickets. April 8 tickets go on sale 12 noon via ticketnet.ph.
Yes, and the fan meet will be on April 22, 2023 at 6 p.m. at the New Frontier Theater. So let's meet there and let's have a good time, a safe time, a fun time, a dashing time. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Salamat!